Now start to install the central aluminum block. Install the profiles to central block. The profile should be as close to the central aluminum block as possible. Now lock the central aluminum block with screws. Now start installing the hanging wire. Hanging wire installation completed. Check if all colors red, green, and blue are normal. Now start to organize the cable. Tie the cable to the cable attachment with a cable tie. Cut off the excess cable tie. Put the cable in the sleeve. Arrange the sleeves neatly. Installation is complete.